welcome back to my channel. And now you are watching a 3-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and food category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location. Here is a nearby attraction and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and reviews online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay.
Its review rating is 8.0, which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of the basic questions about this hotel.
Category.
You can see all the same details like room size, bed type, amenities, facilities, and reviews, etc.
Category A. Category 5. Category 8. Category 9. Category 10.
Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen.
Guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accept major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.
The location of the hotel is attractive and guests love to enjoy the surroundings.
So rooms are available online. Enjoy your stay.
Several rooms and hotels are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies.
You are planning to stay. The link provided in the
If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming hotel.